Peace. So look at here. I'm gonna do a quick vid. I'm gonna show y'all how to do a new coil. How to do this coil right here. You see that? If y'all say y'all wanna switch things up, do something new, I'm gonna show y'all how to do this coil. And then probably in another video, if y'all wanna see, I can show y'all how to do this coil. This one right here. Show you how you do this new detailing. Just let me know. But without further ado, I'm gonna show you how you do this thing. You know, and all you need is a pair of pliers, some cutters. I like to use 20 gauge wire, and that's all you need. So I'm gonna set it up. Set the cam up. Here we go. Whoops. Make all that racket. Look at me now. Oh yeah. And you're gonna need the drill. Makes it easier. Makes the process flow a lot better. So if you have one, I recommend you use it. If not, you're gonna have to use them hands, cuz. You got to use them hands, big dog. But without further ado, let's do it. So you just snap it, however long you want it to be. That's what it is. And I'll probably put it on here, so I'm not sure. But yeah, do y'all live. So what you want to do is you want to twist this part first, like that. Then you want to get your drill right here. Open it up some. Twist it on like that, right? And before I do it, I like to pretty much put it like this, and I count like 8 seconds, and I just slightly pull the trigger. And however long you spin it, you wanna say you do another one, you wanna spin it for that same amount of time. Well, let me do it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the reason why I count, so you can have about an estimate of the tightness you have for the wire. Because different tightness kind of change the way it looks when you coil it around other copper. And if you do multiple ones like this, it look different. So yeah. Alright. Let me know if that makes sense for y'all though. Oh, let me get another copper, single wire. What you do is, you see, you want to put it in like the middle, like that. You want to put it like this. You see? Then you twist it. You just twist it just like this. And then you want to get your other wire, your pliers. You want to push it in, and you just keep it tight. You wrap it around it like this, just like this. See? Hold on. You see? Let me put the camera down a little bit. See? What I'm doing is, whoops. this is pretty much it. And all you do, if you wanna get the nice detailing, you just oxidize and polish it. And then the dark spot is gonna add a little more depth to it. Then you get the nice cool detailing. And that's all it is to it. But I'm gonna show you how I finish it. So what I do is this. You open it. And you wrap it around it. That. And you cut it. Just like this. See? Cut it just like that. And then you come with another one. You just wrap it around it and push it down with the pliers. And now, come on up over to this side. Pretty much do the same thing. Since we got more wire, I recommend you get the bottom one first. And you wrap it around it. And then you just cut it. One good time. Like that. And you pinch it with your pliers. And then you do the other one, just like this. You wrap it over it, just like that. And now you just cut it. And this, my friend, is how you make that little new detailing coil. Nice and simple. You see it. And all you gotta do, you wanna get this depth. You just give it a nice little oxidizing polishing. You can use liver or sulfur. And check out Angel's vid, Earth Angel Heals. She has a video on how to oxidize and polish your jewelry. It's gonna come in handy and show you how to do it. And all the items that you need and where you can get it from. But peace. Thanks for watching. This is the breakdown how I do this. And I'll make another vid and I'll show you how to do this detailing right here. It's pretty much the same thing. You just taking it a step further, little expanding on the basics. That's all it is to it. But peace.